Now guys, I'm going to show you really quick on the phantom kill switch how the RFID key fob operates on this same unit that the keypad is. So I'm going to activate the kill switch. You'll see this light come on. You hear a tone. Gear shift is disabled. So with that, now you just touch the RFID signal. Light went away, switch is back on, and park. I can drive. See, I'm driving. Put it back in gear, just drive forward a little bit. Again, let me show you that again. You put it in park, activate it, light goes out, gear shift is activated, nothing there. Key fob. Have one of these, you can just put it here. Sound goes on, activated light, there go to park, reverse, back driving. Phantom kill switch. This is the keypad RFID model. Works every time. Got them installed.